దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎక్కడ టీటీ ఇక్కడ టీటీ దగ్గర కదా కంపల్సరీగా మిన్ టర్మ్ మిన్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ది కంజంక్షన్ ఓన్లీ టెల్ మీ P meet Q. Understood what I told you? P meet Q. What is the second one more T? Where it is? F. FM is it must be min term is. Okay, tell me. Negation of P meet. This is in between the operation. Negation of P meet.
Negation of.
Easy. Is it? But ఇలా కాకుండా చెప్తాను కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డైరెక్ట్గా దీన్ని ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ దేర్ యూజింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ విల్ లేదు సార్ నేను ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అప్లై చేయలేను నేను కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాను చక్కగా ఇది సింపుల్ ఓకే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వన్ మోర్ ఇంకా డెఫినేషన్ ఇవ్వలేదు బట్ క్లారిటీ ఇచ్చేస్తాను రైట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ డిజైన్ టు నార్మల్ PDNF is nothing but don't try. PDNF is nothing but disjunction of min terms. What is min term? Min term is nothing but the conjunction of the statement variable. Okay. Same problem. PCNF. PCNF means principal conjunct of normal form. What it is? T F F T కదా F లే ఉన్నాయా in place of min term there we call it as max term that is nothing but what it is reverse conjunction of max
terms.
Conjunction of max term. Okay, there I have to verify it is but here yes where f's are presented TF combination. TF combination అంటే ఏమై ఉంటుంది P implies and implied by is equivalent to tell me P join. Now it is join. Min term is a conjunction. Max term is a disjunct. Conjunction of disjunct. Okay. Tell me. P join. Is that EF into this one? P join. Negation of Q. Conjunction ante meet operation. Next, what about the second one? Negation of P. Join. This is a way to still definition not yet given. Wait. This is a way to write principal disjunct to normal form and principal conjunct to normal form. Even for 3 variables also this is the 8 marks question they are giving. So, but you need not follow the table also. Directly properties given to you or not? Identity properties.
Yes,
using distributive laws or commutative laws or absorption laws directly you can get it. Okay, if you are not able to do like that, simply you can take a table separately and verify from the table directly you can write. This is also a very simple technique to write PCNF and PDNF. Now you write about min term. First you write min term and max term, then I will go to min term is a compound statement formed by conjunction of see the word each is compulsory, every statement presence is mandatory. Okay, conjunction of each statement variable. If I give the definition first, you would have confused. Sorry, edo rastaru board meda. Okay, now you are very clear. Every what you are writing, you have a clarity. Is it right or not? Conjunction of each statement variable. Statement variable means atomic statement. Conjunction of each statement variable or its negation. Either see each statement variable or you can write its negation, but you should not take both. Each statement variable or its negation, but not both.
This is a
Number
compound
of
statement.
minter possible for two statements. For two statements where
Not wrong.
for n statement variables directly. How many minters are possible?
N
2 power?
N 2 power n.
No. Principal decision to normal form. PDL.
Principal decision to normal form.
PDNF of given compound statement is an equivalent formula containing disjunction of minterms which are having truth value tick. Is it right or not? Disjunction of minterm. Which type of minterm? That minterm should have a truth value tick. Similarly, you can write same information for max term also. First you write it. I will. Some questions I have downloaded.